is a tasty way to do your salmon fillets. Here's what you'll need. Said salmon fillets, fresh lemon juice. These were fresh lemons and I juiced them and put them in the freezer in an ice cube tray if you're not going to use all the lemon juice at once. Bit of chicken stock, some garlic, butter, chives or parsley and some honey. First thing we're going to do is make the sauce, so into a pan, gently melt, add a tablespoon of butter and then go in with your 2 garlic cloves, nicely crushed. And just warm them through for a minute. You don't want to cook it too much, otherwise the garlic will turn bitter. When it's gone a light brown colour, your garlic that is, go in with your chicken stock and your lemon juice. Each one of these is about a tablespoon worth in there, and then we're going to gently simmer that away until it reduces by about half. When you've reduced it down a bit, it's time to go in with the rest of your butter, your chives or parsley, and a teaspoon of your honey. Give them all a minute to melt and get to know each other. Then you can turn that off the heat, set that to one side and get on with your salmon fillets. Into a pan with a glug of oil and a knob of butter, and then it's in with your salmon fillets, skin side down first, and you're going to cook them for 3 or 4 minutes on either side just to ensure that they cook through. And your salmon looks nicely cooked. Time to get it onto the plate. Then onto there, reheat your sauce. And go on there with it. To finish off, just a few fresh chives. Delicious.